Jason Pereira is a name that gets a lot of chatter and a lot of run as well. Regardless of who it is, it will likely, you think, it will likely...
Here in America, there's 3 million skin cancers.
They're breaking supply chains all over the world.
The judges make in their dismissal motion. As you referred to, they argue that the lawsuit is a violation of the separation of powers. Quote, a lawsuit captioned
Up with JoJo, we got 2 hours of nothing but K-pop, and Kai of EXO is my special guest.
You mentioned before that the EU is just looking elsewhere. Does China ultimately benefit? Does China, do you think, feel...
And then go out and continue that work. So it's the magic disciple multiplier, I guess. I'm going to just keep adding words to it. But it's an amazing statistic that over 80 years, Bible League has seen happen where a Bible turns into multiples of people.
Teraz jest idealny czas, aby sprzedać nieruchomość. Agata Landa z Caprijet Realty kompleksowo zajmie się wszystkim i wynegocjuje cenę najlepszą dla Ciebie, sprzedawcy. Agata Landa specjalizuje się w sprzedaży budynków Rent, Stabilize i Free Market. Posiada lata doświadczenia w wymagającym nowojorskim rynku, gdzie liczy się dokładność i czas. Szybko i...